Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made these beach themed lantern wall decor, and I made these using all Dollar Tree items. Actually, scratch that. There's one item that's not from Dollar Tree. This cost me less than $10 to make, and it's a great addition to our beach theme this summer, and it was super easy to make. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. But before I start, I just want to let you know, if you don't know yet, I do have another channel called Tina's Daily Deals. Watch what we're going to do with these Fineliners. This is a 9-piece listed for $7.97. We're going to clip that 5% and put in a code I'm going to provide for you in the description box, only paying $3.58. Now this one is the colored set, and this has 18 of them, and mind you, these all have great reviews, and this one is priced at $10.99. With the code I'm going to give you, you're only paying $5.49. And I do other things too, not just crafting items. These are women's loafers, and they're memory foam, great reviews, and you know, these are super comfy. They're listed for $13.28, but with our code, we're only going to pay $6.64. And not just code items, I also alert you with price drops like these Cricut vinyl and tools. You can get some as low as $1.99, or if you have little ones, I totally understand that with clothing, it kind of adds up. Now, this is by the Children's Place, so it's a well-known store, and you can get it for as low as $2.87, and there's other styles as well. And if you have a girl, I got you covered. Now, you can get these shirts for as low as $2.87 as well, and there's different styles to choose from. So definitely check out my other channel. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. The other day, we got spray paint for like $2 and some change. I will be putting all the links in the description box to the products and to my other YouTube channel. Now, let's go ahead and get on with the video. This is the only item that was not from Dollar Tree. It's the paint mixing sticks, and this is a smaller size. I don't know if this is like called a 3-gallon, or I don't have the wrapper, so forgive me for that. But it's the smaller one. If you have the bigger lantern that you're working with, then go ahead and get the larger one. But I'm going to split this up. I believe the entire pack was like $1.80 something for 10 of them. So I'm gluing 5 and then 5 because I do have 2 lanterns. Now I'm going in with white acrylic paint by Apple Barrel, and I'm going to paint them white. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe, because up next I'm working on a really cool rotating paint organizer. Now here I'm taking these hooks from Dollar Tree, and that's the lantern that I'm going to be using, both of them from Dollar Tree. And before gluing it down, I just want to see where I'm going to glue my hook, and because I will be gluing it down using E6000, so that's a permanent hold. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hook off for a minute, put E6000, and go ahead and glue it back in place. And the way we're going to hang this is that little circle on top of the hook there, and you want to be sure to apply the glue wherever it touches the board. So be sure to put a lot of glue in that on the hook itself, because that's what touches the board. But I will be adding a little bit of extra glue onto the shell itself, and then we're just going to put it all together. I'm so excited, you guys, with my next project, that paint organizer. I haven't done a paint organizer in a while, so I'm super excited about that. Now you're just going to place your lantern in place, and this is how they look. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I definitely love the way they turn out. It's going to be a great addition to my other beach decor that I've done, which if you haven't seen them yet, be sure to check them out. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.